That exciting Visa gift card you just received might be frustratingly on hold. But don't worry, we're here to unlock its full potential in under 2 minutes. First, let's understand why your Visa gift card might be experiencing an on-hold status. The most common culprit is incomplete activation. Many Visa gift cards require a simple activation step before they can be used, especially if you received it as a gift or from a specific retailer. Your first troubleshooting step is to locate the activation information. This is usually printed directly on the back of the card, often as a toll-free phone number or a website address. Pick one of these up and get ready to proceed. If you're opting for the phone route, simply dial the provided number. You'll likely be guided through an automated system. Be prepared to have the gift card number, expiration date, and the security code from the back ready. Sometimes you might be asked for personal verification details like your name or zip code, which is standard for security. Alternatively, if you prefer to activate online, navigate to the website printed on your card. You'll find input fields for the card details, €1 again, the card number, expiry date, and the 3 or 4-digit security code are key. Complete all the required fields accurately. Once you've completed the activation process, whether by phone or online, your card should be ready for use. It's essential to check the balance immediately after activation to confirm it's unlocked and showing the correct funded amount. You can usually do this on the same website or phone line you used for activation. Some online retailers or point-of-sale systems might place temporary holds, especially for larger purchases or if the transaction amount is close to the card's balance. This is a temporary measure and usually clears within a day or two. So if you encounter an issue with a specific purchase, try again later or check your balance first. With these simple steps, you should now be able to confidently use your Visa gift card for both online shopping sprees and seamless in-store purchases. Enjoy spending your funds